there is a swish, or there's just a simple. Hey guys, it's Claire, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to do another how-to video of how to do a tilt. So before we get into this video, you want to make sure you're nice and stretched and warmed up. If you haven't stretched yet, click into my video here to see how to stretch nice and easy. This is what a tilt is supposed to look like. There are a few ways of getting into a tilt. There is a développé, there is a swish, or there's just a simple hand. Every time you're going to get into these tilts, you want to go through a nice and fifth position. So you're going to start off with the leg out, bring your leg in nice and turned down. You're going to come in up and get in this nice retiré position. Once you're here, this is where you're going to stack your hips. So your hips stack this way. Stacking your hips is when your joints, so pretend these are your hip joints, you're going to stack them that way. So when you're standing, they're literally just stacked here. I'm going to go that way. So you're going to go this way, développé up, stack your hips, and then from here your knee is going to stay there and you're just going to lift your leg up. You're going to make sure your knee stays nice and tight to you because that's where the base of your tilt is going to be. You want to make sure that your knee stays here and your leg just comes up like that. And to overextend it, I don't really know how you overextend it. Yeah, you just keep tilting over. So you can see my chest was up. Boom. Now to do your second type of tilt is when you swish it up. So it's basically the same thing except you just go here, boom. I can't really explain how you do it. I guess I've just been doing it for a long time, so yeah. So from here, you're gonna come through here, boom. So your arms are just gonna go from here into a port de bras. They come this way, and they're gonna hit, this is a L. So you go from port de bras, from this way, L. So your muscles you're gonna use, your glutes are gonna wrap in, and they're gonna stack. At the same time, you're gonna tilt the leg. From here, the third position is when you just développé it up with a normal hand. From this position again, you're gonna come up. Once you get to here, you're gonna grab your ankle, so your Achilles, you're just gonna grab it around, and you're just gonna bring it up using your hand. This is probably the easiest one to do, because you like helping yourself bring your leg up, come out here, grab your leg, and tilt. If you're very confident with tilts, there are some extensions you can do out of it. So after you've done a normal tilt, you can let go. So that could be an extension one. Some other ones you could do would be a drop. So that's when you go from here, let go, boom. I'll do that again for you. From there, you can do a drop and catch your leg again. This is kind of hard. It takes practice. Don't give up though. Keep your mind on that goal and work towards it. So after you do a drop, what you're going to do is you're going to catch back up. Your leg's going to stay there. And from after your drop, you're going to go boom. You're going to grab and you're going to tuck your hips. So tuck under that way. 5, 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom. Ah! That was very hard. Yeah, there we go. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, click that go bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Peace.